Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch and Scrump in a heart, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the left hand side with Stitch's left ear. So we're going to come in slightly and we're going to curve this line up, around, pulling that back in on the side. Let's draw in a sideways letter V for that cutout in the ear. And then we're going to curve this back in, ending that at the same width. We'll step up. We're going to curve this line through towards the middle. And then again, we'll replicate that as we pull this out on the bottom. Let's round at the top of Stitch's head. So stepping up on this line, we're going to curve this all the way around and through to the right. And now from here, we're going to connect Scrump's head. So starting on this line, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. So we're going to curve this all the way around, pulling this back up, connecting that in together. Let's draw in Stitch's left ear on top. So we're going to curve this line up, pulling this around, bringing that back in, and then moving up above, we're just going to curve this line out. Now let's step across. So we're going to start with the bow on top of Scrump's head, right in the center. On the left-hand side, curving this out, bringing that down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right as well. Now from here, we're going to curve two small lines out. Let's draw on the hair up above. So on the left-hand side, curving this up, down, and then back in. In the middle, we're going to bring this line up, down, and over towards the top. Let's step across, curving this out, around, and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing one more time. Now let's come down drawing in the eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now on the top here, let's draw in a small circle. And then let's move down, replicating that directly underneath. We'll come over on the left and right hand side, drawing in another circle. Now on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line up, down, connecting that in the bottom. Let's do the same thing moving across. We're going to bring this line out and in, and then we'll come up on a diagonal, replicating that, arching that around and through. Let's draw in the mouth. We're going to curve this line down, up, over, and across to the right. Let's draw in two diagonal lines, one on either side. We're going to come down on the left, drawing in another diagonal line, and then we'll draw two on the right. Let's continue to close off the rest of the body here. So we're going to come across on the left-hand side, and we're going to draw in Stitch's hand. So we're going to round this out for the first finger, bringing that in. We'll do the exact same beside that, arching that down. And then one more time on the right, curving this over and back through. Let's round out the arm underneath and on top. Now Scrump's arm is going to be in here on the left, so we're just going to curve that in. Now let's come out for Stitch's face. So from the edge here, we're just going to curve this into the arm. For the nose, we're going to round this out, curving this over, bringing that back down on the right. Let's draw on the nostril, curving that line in. And now let's draw in the eyes. So we're going to step in from the center, curving this up and down on the right. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line up, pulling that down towards the side. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with another curved line. Now in the center, just drawing in a small arch line. We'll do the exact same thing as we step over on the right. And then we're going to thicken this up. So we're going to draw in another arch line on the top. And then we'll color in our eyes black. Now let's come up. We're going to add a small detailed line on the top here, bringing this line up and over. Do the same thing on the right. And then now we're just going to draw in the little tuft of hair in the center. So we're going to curve this around, pulling that back in, underneath, curving that through towards the left. Let's continue to come down. So now for Stitch's body underneath, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back up. We're going to add a small pattern on the back, arching this down, up, back down. Let's draw in the foot. So we're going to start from this line, curving this around, and then for the first toe, arching that in. We're going to replicate that as we move up, curving this around and down. And then one more time, arching this over and through. Let's bend that knee, curving that in. Underneath here on the right, drawing in a nice big arch line. And now on each of our toes here, we're just going to draw in another arch line in the opposite direction. Now let's draw in the heart. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, continuing this through, curving this in towards the middle. And then on the right, beside Scrump's head here, we're just going to curve this all the way around, bringing that in on a diagonal towards the center. Let's add in Scrump in here now. So for the neck, we're just going to draw in an arch line. And then for the body, just curving this around, back in. Let's draw in the right arm, curving that down. And now we're going to draw in a little button in the center. So we're just going to draw in a half circle here. We'll draw an oval on a diagonal. And then underneath that, just curving this down, following that through underneath, arching that back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch and Scrump in a heart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.